Imagine a world where your thoughts are the ultimate interface. No more fumbling with remotes, typing on keyboards, or swiping screens. This isn't science fiction. It's the rapidly evolving reality of mind-controlled wearable devices, poised to redefine human-computer interaction and unlock unprecedented levels of accessibility and control. Mind-controlled wearables represent a groundbreaking frontier in human-computer interaction. These innovative devices harness the power of your brainwaves, translating your neural activity into actionable commands for external technologies. They are essentially personal brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, designed for everyday use. At their core, these wearables utilize sophisticated biosensors to capture the subtle electrical signals generated by your brain. This raw data is then processed through advanced algorithms, often powered by artificial intelligence, to identify specific thought patterns. These patterns are subsequently mapped to desired actions, allowing you to control devices with nothing but your mind. The magic behind mind-controlled wearables lies in their ability to interpret the brain's electrical symphony. The primary non-invasive method employed is electroencephalography, or EEG. This technique measures voltage fluctuations resulting from ionic current flows within the neurons of the brain. EEG sensors, typically placed on the scalp, detect the collective electrical activity of millions of neurons. This activity manifests as distinct brainwave patterns, each associated with different states of consciousness and mental activity. For instance, delta waves are prominent during deep sleep, theta waves during meditation or light sleep, alpha waves during relaxed wakefulness, beta waves during active thinking and concentration, and gamma waves during intense focus or problem solving. The wearable device captures these intricate wave patterns. Sophisticated algorithms, often leveraging machine learning and deep learning, are then employed to analyze this complex data in real time. These algorithms are trained to recognize specific neural signatures corresponding to intended actions, such as turn on the light or move cursor left. This process involves filtering out noise, amplifying relevant signals, and classifying patterns with remarkable precision. Once brainwave patterns are identified, they are translated into digital commands. This translation process is incredibly fast, often occurring in milliseconds, allowing for near real-time control. The commands are then transmitted wirelessly, typically via Bluetooth, to the target device. This seamless pipeline transforms abstract thought into tangible action, bridging the gap between mind and machine. The continuous refinement of these algorithms, coupled with advancements in sensor technology, is steadily improving the accuracy and responsiveness of mind-controlled wearables. This ongoing research is crucial for expanding their practical applications and enhancing user experience across diverse scenarios. The market for mind-controlled wearables is burgeoning, with several pioneering devices already demonstrating impressive capabilities. Each offers a unique approach to harnessing brainpower for various applications. These examples showcase the diverse potential of this technology. Neuro stands out as an over-the-ear EEG device designed for intuitive control of Internet of Things, IoT devices. It allows users to manage smart home appliances, adjust environmental settings, or even stream media without uttering a single word or lifting a finger. Its discreet design and focus on everyday convenience make it a compelling option for consumer use. Neuro exemplifies how BCI can integrate seamlessly into our daily lives, offering a truly hands-free experience. NextMind takes a unique approach by focusing on signals from the visual cortex. This innovative device translates brain signals generated when a user focuses on specific visual cues into digital commands. It offers real-time control for computers, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR headsets, and other IoT devices. For gamers and AR/VR enthusiasts, NextMind promises an unprecedented level of immersion and direct interaction, blurring the lines between thought and digital action. The MiGoo headband is a user-friendly device that measures brain activity to enable control over smart devices. Its simplicity and ease of use make it an accessible entry point into mind-controlled technology. It demonstrates the potential for widespread adoption, allowing a broader audience to experience the benefits of thought-based interaction. This device highlights the growing trend towards making BCI technology more approachable for general consumers. Mind Play. MindHub is more than just a control device. It's a brain training wearable. Utilizing an EEG brainwave headset, it allows users to control devices while simultaneously providing neurofeedback. This feedback helps users understand and improve their mental states, such as focus and relaxation. For medical professionals and individuals seeking cognitive enhancement, MindHub offers a powerful tool for mental wellness and performance optimization. BrainLink is a brainwave sensing Bluetooth earphone designed to help users understand and fine-tune their own brain activity. It provides insights into concentration levels, relaxation states, and mental fatigue. While it offers some control capabilities, its primary focus is on self-awareness and mental training. This device appeals to those interested in mindfulness, meditation, and optimizing their cognitive functions through biofeedback. The potential applications of mind-controlled wearables are vast and revolutionary, spanning multiple sectors from consumer electronics to critical medical interventions. This technology is not just about convenience, it's about empowerment and unlocking new possibilities. For individuals with severe motor impairments, mind-controlled wearables are nothing short of life-changing. They offer a new pathway to independence and communication. Imagine controlling a wheelchair, operating a computer, or communicating complex thoughts simply by thinking. This technology can restore agency, enable participation in daily activities, and significantly enhance the quality of life for those who have limited physical mobility. It represents a profound leap forward in assistive technology, offering a voice and control where traditional methods fall short. Gamers stand to experience a paradigm shift in interaction. Mind-controlled wearables can introduce entirely new control schemes, allowing for deeper immersion and more intuitive gameplay. Imagine casting spells with a thought, navigating complex environments with mental commands, or even influencing game outcomes based on your emotional state. This technology could unlock unprecedented levels of competitive advantage and creative expression within virtual worlds, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in interactive entertainment. In the medical field, these wearables offer immense promise. For medical professionals, they can serve as non-invasive tools for monitoring patient fatigue, assessing cognitive load, and even detecting early signs of neurological conditions. In rehabilitation, neurofeedback applications can help patients regain motor control or improve cognitive functions after injury or stroke. Furthermore, they can provide objective data on mental states, aiding in the diagnosis and management of conditions like ADHD, anxiety, and depression. Beyond specialized applications, mind-controlled wearables are poised to transform everyday consumer experiences. Controlling smart home devices, navigating entertainment systems, or managing personal productivity tools could become effortlessly intuitive. In industrial settings, they offer hands-free control of machinery, remote operation of complex systems, and enhanced worker safety by reducing the need for manual interaction in hazardous environments. This efficiency gain can lead to significant productivity improvements across various industries. The neurofeedback capabilities of many mind-controlled wearables open doors to significant cognitive enhancement. Users can train their brains to improve focus, concentration, memory, and even emotional regulation. Athletes can use them for peak performance training, students for enhanced learning, and professionals for sustained mental clarity. This aspect of the technology moves beyond control to active self-improvement, fostering mental well-being and optimizing cognitive functions. The trajectory of mind-controlled wearables is steep, promising rapid advancements and broader integration into society. However, this exciting future also brings forth important considerations regarding privacy, security, and ethical use. Future devices will likely become even more discreet, perhaps integrated into everyday items like eyeglasses, headphones, or even clothing. This miniaturization will enhance user comfort and reduce the stigma often associated with assistive technologies. Seamless integration will make these devices feel less like external gadgets and more like natural extensions of our own capabilities. The role of artificial intelligence will continue to grow, leading to more sophisticated algorithms capable of understanding individual brain patterns with greater precision. This will enable highly personalized experiences, adapting to unique cognitive styles and learning curves. AI will also drive predictive capabilities, anticipating a user needs and intentions before explicit commands are given. Expect to see mind-controlled wearables integrated with other sensory inputs and outputs. Combining BCI with haptic feedback, augmented reality, or even direct neural stimulation could create truly immersive and intuitive interfaces. This multimodal approach will unlock richer interactions and more nuanced control possibilities. As our thoughts become data, critical questions arise. Who owns this neural data? How will it be secured against breaches or misuse? The potential for brain hacking or unauthorized access to sensitive cognitive information necessitates robust ethical frameworks and stringent privacy regulations. Ensuring user consent, data anonymization, and transparent data handling policies will be paramount. The widespread adoption of mind-controlled technology could lead to a thought economy where mental states and intentions become valuable data points. This could have profound societal implications, influencing everything from advertising to education. Careful consideration of these impacts is essential to ensure this technology benefits humanity as a whole, rather than creating new forms of inequality or control. Mind-controlled wearable devices are not just a technological marvel. They represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with the world. From empowering individuals with disabilities to revolutionizing gaming, enhancing medical care, and boosting industrial efficiency, their potential is boundless. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of neuroscience and artificial intelligence, we are on the cusp of an era where our thoughts truly become our most powerful tool. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your mind? Explore the cutting-edge world of mind-controlled wearables today. Dive deeper into the research, connect with innovators, and consider how these transformative devices could impact your life or profession. Share your thoughts and join the conversation about this incredible future. Your mind is the next frontier. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.